Hello everyone, if your Fortnite keeps crashing on the new Chapter 7 update, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite in the Chapter 7 update easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, you're going to go into local, you're going to find the folder called Fortnite game here, so just click on any folder, press F on your keyboard, here it is, go into saved, go into config, go into Windows client, right click on this folder, uncheck read only first here, click OK again, and then open up the game user settings.ini file in Notepad, and here you need to find D3D. So you need to find this text here, D3D RHI preference. If you don't have it here, so just write it like I have here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to set preferred RHI to DX12, and in the r.performance mode you're going to set it to 1, and then you're going to go ahead and save this file as it is now, and then right click on it again, go into properties, make sure it is set to read only now, and then click OK, and then you can go ahead and play Fortnite now, and you'll see that it will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.